Well, just giving you a quick look at the first hand of stripper. It shows all the body work the car's ever had. This car was painted twice. Original color and a repaint once. That gray you see right there on that rear quarter, that's all body work and epoxy primer. Somebody did a repair there back in the day. They also did a repair on this quarter, passenger's quarter, along the convertible top, this area right here, and this area has to be repaired. And this is why it doesn't get grinding down the strip. You can see all the marks. If you come and feel, it feels like craters along this whole quarter. This whole quarter has to be re-skim coated, blocked, primered,